Alrighty guys, trade recap from last night's trading session, which was Tuesday, New York AM session. So here are my two trades here. We basically got a winning day break even on our top step accounts. And we got a small win on the Alpha Futures account to start with. So coming to the day, I was bullish, but we had London low right here. Where is it? Here. So I'll mark this out. Now, if you go on the 1 minute, so we're displacing towards this on this leg right here, okay? And we had a slight retracement into this 1 minute gap and we displaced out. This was taken on the 30 seconds, so I'll go on the screenshot. You see how we displaced into the 1 minute gap. We had a nice displacement candle out and that was my entry. So I can't go on the 30 second here. But we tap in and I'm in the trade around that point there. So that was my first trade of the day, was just a little short on my Alpha Futures account. And then we wanted to see longs. Now we got this first initial leg up, but news was approaching and I wasn't too sure just yet. But then we swept the low again, which is really good to see. And then we inversed this gap right here to the upside. So I took a long position on this candle here, stops to the body. And then I had a first TP at this high right here. And my second TP was the starting high just over here, the 9:30 AM high was my full TP. So priced, come up, took my first take profit position and then run down to my break even stop. So it was pretty unfortunate, but there's a trade here. That's what I took it on. And yeah, it was only basically 200 bucks across all my accounts. Nothing too shabby. It's basically just a winning day. But yeah, most days, it comes down, taps this gap here and it runs to full take profit. Just not today, so we move on. But just a short recap. Today I've got heaps of things to do, but I'm getting these out, even though it's an inconvenience right now. But I have to get these out. I have to be transparent. I have to show what I take, and that was really all. If I go on I'll go on the 1 hour chart. It was an absolute nightmare this session. Yeah, I was definitely bullish to these highs, to this 1 hour gap. We eventually took it, but absolute chop to get there. So it is what it is. I think Wednesdays and Thursdays session later on this week is going to be a better session. We go into the news. Let's have a look at the news real quick. So tonight we have 10:15 p.m. So we have red folder news, which will have a data high, data low, which is good. But we also have news at 12 o'clock. So that's going to be interesting. But yeah, so hopefully tonight's session is a little bit better than last night's session. But that's how we made 2,400 Australian dollars last night trading the Nasdaq. Cheers.